Okay, so I have the flashlight and my camera is facing the ceiling. So I am getting ready to show you the different light settings. So let's try them out. And here's the button. So let's go. And we're going up. And that is your still light. That is your medium light. That is your low light. Here you go. Flasher. And your SOS. This light, flashlight, is heavy duty. I really don't want to just keep holding it over my iPad because I'm scared I'm gonna drop it, and I know it's gonna tear it up because this is heavy duty, solid. Definitely has some weight to it. Great material. I think this is a quality made flashlight. You're able to use this where and whenever. This is all purpose. You have everything you want in this one flashlight. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep mine in my vehicle. All right, so that was your flashlight.